Hi, I'm Todd Brandon from the agency and welcome to 35 Jones Street here in Wandal. This cute gable has got so much to offer. Let's take a quick tour. There are two things that I really love about this home. The first is the 810 square metre block that this home sits on with great views capturing amazing breezes. And the second is this home's fully built out of timber. It gives you a lot of opportunity to recreate the space and turn this home into something very, very special. Well, 35 Jones Street in Wandal is a leafy block with great opportunity. If our team can help you own this cracking home, give us a call. We would love to help you out.